Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. To make your garden full of vibrant flowers without using expensive chemical fertilizers, in today's video, I will share an extremely simple organic fertilizer formula using only familiar ingredients in the kitchen, safe, gentle, and anyone can do it, whether you are a beginner or have been growing plants for a long time. This method helps the plants in the garden develop strongly and comprehensively. Roots are white, plump, healthy, develop evenly, and absorb nutrients more effectively. Leaves are green, shiny, smooth, thick, and full of vitality. Flower spikes grow long, sturdy, buds form evenly, and flowers bloom brilliantly with more lasting color. If you are a beginner, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any orchid care tips on the Great Garden channel. Let's get started. Do you have ginger at home? Ginger is not only a familiar spice in the kitchen, but also a natural ingredient that is very good for plants. Today I will use ginger as an ingredient for plants. First, cut the ginger into small pieces as shown in the video. Ginger contains many natural compounds with antibacterial and antifungal properties, and also contains some nutrients and essential oils that help support plants to increase resistance and grow healthier. Next, chop the ginger into small pieces. Chopping the ginger helps maximize the contact surface, thereby allowing the natural compounds in the ginger to be released more and dissolve into the water faster. As a result, the solution after soaking will be more concentrated and nutrient-rich, helping to enhance antibacterial ability, limit fungal diseases, and support plants to grow healthily. Next, prepare a cup as shown in the video. Put all the chopped ginger into the glass cup. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. Then, add 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup. And stir well so the ingredients dissolve faster, helping the nutrients disperse evenly in the water and be ready for use. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. I prepare a clean glass cup as shown in the video. At the same time, I use rice as the next ingredient. Rice contains a lot of starch, vitamins, and some natural minerals, helping to supplement light nutrients and support plants to develop stably and more healthily. Next, I add 3 spoons of rice into the glass cup, containing the ginger prepared earlier, to continue preparing the solution. Then, add about 500 milliliters of hot water to extract nutrients from ginger and rice, helping the compounds dissolve quickly and evenly into the water. Stir well so the nutrients are evenly distributed in the solution, helping the mixture become more stable and more effective when used for plants. Finally, cover and incubate the solution for 1 hour. During the waiting time, I proceed to lightly rinse the plant with clean water. This helps evenly moisten the entire growing medium while washing away dirt, residue, and mineral salt accumulation around the root zone after previous watering. When the medium has enough moisture, the root system will be in a more stable and softer state, thereby increasing the ability to absorb nutrients effectively and safely. This preparation step is simple but very important, helping to limit nutrient shock, avoid root burn, and at the same time, create conditions for the plant to recover quickly and develop more sustainably in the next care steps. After 1 hour, I filter out the ginger residue using a strainer, keeping only the pure liquid. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. At the same time, I also filter out the rice residue, keeping only the water without sediment. This liquid is what we need to fertilize the plants. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. That's it. Use this fertilizer solution to care for your plants. Method 1. First, pour the prepared ginger and rice solution into a clean glass cup. Use cotton or a soft cloth to gently soak the solution. Then wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the orchid leaves. This method helps remove dirt and long-standing residue on the leaf surface, keeping the leaves clean and well ventilated, thereby increasing photosynthesis efficiency. The ginger and rice solution contains natural compounds along with some light nutrients that can help nourish the leaves, making them greener and healthier. You can clean the leaves about 1 time per month, or when the leaves accumulate a lot of dust to keep the orchid pot always fresh and beautiful. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Method 2. I will continue to pour the ginger and rice solution into a specialized watering can, then water gently around the orchid base. This watering method helps provide natural nutrients from ginger and rice, supplementing starch, vitamins, and antibacterial compounds, thereby helping the root system develop strongly and increase plant resistance. You can water periodically 1 time per week. When the orchid has stabilized and grows well, it can be reduced to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain balanced nutrition. When watering, it should be done gently and moderately, avoiding excessive water accumulation in the pot. This helps the roots absorb nutrients more effectively, while keeping the growing medium airy and limiting the risk of fungal diseases. Method 3. Pour the ginger and rice solution into a spray bottle, then spray lightly and evenly over the entire plant, including leaves, stems, and leaf axils. The solution helps provide light nutrients from rice combined with antibacterial compounds from ginger, supporting the plant to increase resistance and grow healthily. When spraying, cover both sides of the leaves evenly to clean and increase photosynthesis efficiency. Perform 1 time per week in the first month, then reduce to 1 time per month to maintain. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 10 to 15 minutes so the leaves and roots can absorb nutrients. If there is still water remaining on the leaves or in the leaf axils, use a soft cloth or clean cotton to gently wipe it off. This step is very important because standing water can create conditions for fungal diseases to develop. When the leaves are dry, the orchid will be healthier, limiting leaf rot and maintaining a shiny, thick, and vibrant appearance. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. In addition to orchids, I also water the anthurium plant. Using the rice and ginger solution helps provide a light natural nutrient source, while the compounds in ginger support antibacterial effects and limit fungal diseases around the root zone. As a result, the anthurium increases resistance, grows stably, and encounters fewer pest and disease problems. Results after 2 months. After about 2 months of application, the orchid shows very clear changes. The leaves become darker green, thicker and shinier, new leaves grow strongly and full of vitality, helping the plant photosynthesize well and nourish new shoots to develop vigorously. The root system also improves significantly, with many new white, plump roots appearing and healthy green root tips. The roots develop evenly and function better, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients effectively, thereby making the overall plant stronger and more stable. Flower spikes and buds develop evenly with strong stems. Buds form abundantly, round and firm. When blooming, the flowers have bright colors, are long-lasting and bloom continuously, creating an orchid pot that is always vibrant and full of life. These results are achieved thanks to the use of a natural solution from ginger and rice, providing a light nutrient source combined with antibacterial supporting compounds, helping the plant grow healthily and maintain a stable balance. You feel how about this natural orchid care method? Have you ever tried using ginger and rice? Share your experience in the comments. This is a worthy result of persistence. When properly cared for, orchids will respond with strong vitality and natural beauty. If you find the video useful, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss simple and effective orchid care tips. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.